There is a close analogy between learning English language and learning C language. The classical method of learning English is to first learn the alphabets used in language, then learn to combine these alphabets to form words, which in turn are combined to form sentences, and sentences are combined to form paragraphs. That means there is an analogy, that means there is a procedure to learn any language. For example, English language, if we are trying to learn, first we have to learn alphabets, then we have to learn how to combine those alphabets and form words, and then we should learn how to form sentences, and then paragraphs. So C language is like that only. Learning C is similar and easier. Instead of straight away learning how to write programs, we must know alphabets. That means we first uh, go from smaller steps, or we must took smaller steps, and then we are going to learn complex things in that language. So learning C is similar to this. So instead of straight away learning how to write programs, we must know alphabets. That means we must know the basic things, basic and smaller things. Steps in learning English language. First we have to learn alphabets, then we have to learn words, then we have to learn sentences, and then we have to learn paragraphs. So these are steps involved in learning of English language. Now steps in learning C. First is alphabets, digits, special symbols, then constants, variables, keywords. Now instructions and then program. So steps in learning English language are similar to those of steps in learning C. So they have a similarity in this. So alphabets are similar. It contains C language also contains digits, special symbols, etc. Now instead of words they have constants, variable, keywords. That means int, char, etc. These are constants, variables, and keywords. So we have a set of keywords or table of keywords also. Now sentences. Instead of sentences we have instructions here. C language has instructions. Now paragraphs, that means in language, in English language we are writing paragraphs. That means if we want to write an essay on a particular topic, so we will write a paragraph, and in this C language we will write a program. This C character set. So this is character set of C program. A character denotes any alphabet, digit, or special symbol used to represent information. So a character is a representation of alphabets, digits, or any special symbols used to represent information. First is alphabets. So capital A, B up to Y, Z. So these are set of capital letters of English language. Now small a, b up to y, z. So these are small letters in English language. Digits from 0 to 9. Now special symbols are these. So these are special symbols. So it includes symbols like at the rate, then hash, then percentage, and brackets, plus, minus, is equal to, not equal to, curly brackets, square brackets, semicolon, etc. So question mark. So these are special symbols used in language. A character denotes any alphabet, digits, or symbol, special symbols used to represent that information. That means it is denoting information, or representing information just like English language, but it has a certain limited set of that those symbols or characters of that information. So it is basically denoting numbers, special symbols, and alphabets.